Hello friends, how are you? So today we'll start Python library. So we'll start today Python library. आज हम Python लाइब्रेरी पढ़ेंगे और जिसके अंदर मल्टीपल्स लाइब्रेरी आपको यहाँ पर मिलेगी देखने को, जैसे कि मैट, प्लॉट, लिब, sklearn, pandas, numpy, pygame, math, keras. So these are the libraries in Python. So different type of library we are having. NLTK. So how can we use this library? Just I explain how can we use Python library, matplotlib, sklearn, pandas, numpy, pygame, math, and keras, and etc. etc. So our first question is, if we talk about what is library, our first question is, what is library? So what is our answer? So our answer should be module that contain modules that contain source code in separate code groupings are called libraries. यानी कि मॉड्यूल के अंदर जो सोर्स कोड कंटेन होता है वो एक सेपरेट ग्रुपिंग में होता है, वो क्या कहलाता है? लाइब्रेरीज. सो नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज मॉड्यूल? And our answer is, a very simple answer is here. We just the Python solution is to place code in separate code grouping called modules. So friends, a little bit just typing mistake I think in my code. This is the module and library is this that contains source code for generic needs are called library. So these are the two important messages or definitions we can use. Now other Python library three main components is here. So first one is library or package. Now another one is module and another one is functions or sub modules. So these are the three main component in Python library. So friends, our next topic is, what is our next topic? So our small next package, agar if we just talk about RE, relation between a module, package and library in Python. So a module is a file containing Python definitions, functions, variables, classes, statements with .py extensions. So friends, relation between a module, package and library in Python. So first we are discussing module. A module is a file containing Python definitions, functions, variable, classes and statement with .py extensions. Now next, on other end, a Python package is simply a directory of Python modules. Okay friends, package is a directory of Python module. Now another relation of library. So we are discussing library. So library in Python is a collection of various package. So there is no difference between package and Python library. Okay, now our next topic is module in Python. Module in Python. So what is the module in Python? So simply I defined a module. It's modules are used to categorize Python code into smaller parts. मॉड्यूल क्या है? कैटेगराइज किए हुए पाइथन कोड के छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में. एंड a module is simply a Python file where statements, classes, objects, functions, constraints, and variables are defined. Grouping similar code into a single file makes it easy to access. So friends, this is the main code of so I just want to okay, I just used markdown. Okay, now execute. So module is a Python module in Python. Modules are used to categorize Python code into a smaller parts. A module is simply a Python file where statement, classes, object, function, constant and variables are defined. Similar code into a single. Grouping similar codes into a single file makes it easy to access. This is the module. So now we discuss our next point. Advantages of मॉड्यूल्स. फ्रेंड्स, पहले थ्योरी समझना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. देन वी कैन डू वेरी मच. हाउ कैन वी import make a modules and etc. other things. So first understand that theory concept, because without theory you cannot understand why we can use, and little bit theory, not much more. Every topic have a little theory and then some practical is here, so don't forget it. So advantages of Python module. So we discuss one. So number one is putting code into modules is useful because of the ability to import module functionality. So that is the first point. Now another second point is reusability. Reusability is the next advantage. A module can be used in some other Python code. A module can be used some other Python code. Now next third point is our Python topic. Advantage is a module allow us to logically organize Python code. Grouping related code into module makes our Python code. Now next point, I just write down, then I'll clear the things. Categorizations. So similar types of attributes. Similar types of attributes can be placed in a single module. And now next advantage here, it reduce complexity of a program to a large extent. So friends, advantages of Python we discuss. Putting code into module is useful because of the ability to import module functionality. First advantage. Second, reusability. We can reuse one module anytime and any other Python code. A module has to allow to logically organize our Python code. Grouping related to code into a module max out Python code. Max module code easier to understand. That means a grouping related code into a module easier to understand. Categorization. Categorization, similar types of attribute can be placed into a single module. It reduces the complexity of a program to a large extent. Now module names. Our next is module names. So how can we give a names? A module name is the file name with the .py extension when we have a file. So when we have a file, named empty.py. So empty is the module name. The name is a variable that holds the name of the module being referenced. So friends, what I've just chosen. So module name क्या होता है? A module name is a file name when with the .python code extension, and when we have a file names empty.py, that means the module name is empty. Got it? So okay. Now importing Python modules. Ab how can we import Python modules? Importing Python modules. So friends, how can we import Python mod? So how can we import the Python module? Some basic only on we need a import command. Import command, we need to import a module. So okay, so just let me know. Okay, I'm just importing some files. Import numpy as np. That means numpy, numericals, number calculations, NDR. NP is the object we can access. NP without we don't try to numpy or alias we can put. Other file is import pandas as pd. pandas रीड जो एक्सेल फाइल होती है, CSV फाइल होती है, उनको रीड करने के काम आता है. Import matplotlib. Matplotlib is a very important as pyplot. So we can run and execute. So this is the module file we can import, and after we can use just like set data we can fetch. Just suppose D1 is object, and I just use pd.read csv and double quoted, and I go to the desktop, and where my data, I just search a data set is here, and okay, I just using advertisement data. This is the address. Now I copy my address. Okay, then next my file name is this is a CSV file, common separated values, and this is a file dot csv. Now D1, let's see what will the output. Error. Unicode can't decode byte in position 2 3 truncated. So escape the Unicode error of that column. Wait. So friends, this is not a error. We'll have to write a double quote because I am not I forget to set my directory status. So just we'll have to use double slash, and then you can see that execute the command. Then after that you can see the object print directly. This is the data file, and we can access through the command of head. D1 dot head command is 10 record 5 record you want to see, and this 5 record you can see that, friends. So this is the categorization of data. So friends, are you getting of this? Okay, how can we access? And suppose d1 dot info is the command. We can see that information of this unnamed and column net. d1 dot columns columns we can use. These are the columns. And d1 dot tescrib describe the things, objects of descriptions. We can see the what is the objects. This is the Python AI programming. I'm just showing the these values. So friends, we can get number of things in Python. So I just doing fastly. So first import these files. These files for plotting a graph. I'll tell you next. It's big topic. When plot is come, then we can access the read the CSV file through the pandas. Object display, heading, first headings, informations, columns, and then descriptions. So these are the Python programming. Okay, so now friends, what I tell you, so it's a very interesting topic, and we can make suppose let's we have a Python file called area.py. So suppose I want to make a new file. How? Just go to that site and make a new file. Okay, make a new file. Okay, which file I want to make a area.py. So file name is rename area.py. So my file name is area.py. Py extension. So first we want to look up the modules. So the Python statement is calling. We want to trying the importing the things. Suppose I am using import math. Import math यानी कि importing math library. So now what should I do? Def circle. Circle is the function. Circle area. So circle area we find it. So radius, radius is the, and we can use this. And now a radius, a formula is pi into r into r. This is the formula of radius. So what should be written? Return keyword is maths math.py pi into radius into radius radius math.py. Now our next function is define squa square area. Okay, we are making a module. So site is the, so first we'll have to create a py.extension file, then we can access different. So site formula is site into site. So return return. What is the return? We are returning the things. Wait and watch. Return return sid site into sid site. Now next function we are making rectangle rectangle area. So what is this? length length and breadth breadth. We are having two variables. So formula length into breadth, length into breadth. So now what is the return experiment? Return is the LENGTH into BREADTH. Okay, so our program is finished. Now we execute. Now how can we call? So remember our file name is area.py, and our next file name is, we just create new file. One more new file we'll have to create. Okay, so our new file is where to find just my file name is, I renamed my file name. So understand how can you make a module. math1 dot py. Okay friends, what is my file name? math1 dot py. This is my file name. So my file name is math1 dot py. So what should I do? I just import area. I am trying to import, it is visible because no module name area. So फ्रेंड्स करना क्या होगा मॉड्यूल बनाने के लिए? तो यूजिंग पाई, so friends, example, just I am using the example, I am just creating the things beside you. So what is the criteria of creating the module? How can we access the module? So import statement can be used, import a module. It is the simplest and most common way to use module in our code. Import module name, module 1, module 2, module. So Python from a statement lets us import specific attribute or individual object into the module current calling module namespace. So used to access, invoke a function for dot notation. From import we can access function which inside a module, module name, function name separated dot using. So friends, we have to make a import functions. So just like a header file, we'll have to create the things. Already we have created and this file, but we have to place a side setting of module function. We'll have to make two folders. So this program use the standard math module using py. So function that belong to it now as call the module is another program name math1.py. So always remember that module area.py should be in the same default root folder where math1.py also reside. So always remember where your file is stored. Area file name is this location. So my location is this. Okay, I'll change my locations. Okay, how to change my locations? Wait. Okay, sorry. So area is the my location is save. Unexpected error while saving don't ml. Okay. So I just area.py save age. Okay, documents की जगह I will change the root directory of C drive. Okay, wait. Okay, so where is the my project Bandis folder, Anaconda 2. Okay, I use a new file. Wait a minute, and this is the code, and we can access and just I'll save that, and this file savage. Wait, not. Where is my file name? Yes. So okay, Anaconda 2 area dot py. Okay. So this is my file name. Now I just save age of this file. So I just delete this file and make a new file for same address, and we're trying my best because we'll have to make a because you can see that file name null is not defined. Import area. So print, I try to use my area dot circle area 5 comma print square square area 10, and now rectangle area is equals to 20 comma 40, and shall we try to execute of this code. Okay, name is null not defined. So friends, error is ever math1.py. so I just want to save as this file. Okay, math1.py, and try to execute. Okay, so friends, without name null not space, so we'll have to make some decisions. Okay, how can we first we'll have to create the directory. Without directory we cannot access, so just go to the Python and try to Python what is this notebook change. Alright, okay, Python, yes, 3.8 ideally. Okay, this is command line. Okay, so first our command should be import area. So you can see that not module name is area. So first we'll have to create the module. We are just creating the functions. So we'll have to go to the one step ahead, then we'll create the module. So dir directory area area. So no directory is here. So without directory in module we cannot access our area error files. So we can do one thing. We just use the methods retrieve object from a module. So we just make a directory and then we can access our module of this. So friends, this is not even trying. Just like import module we'll have to create. Then after that we are using some different import testing. I'll tell you tomorrow class, definitely with the module name, aliasing, how can we name module create, how can we access the modules, everything I'll tell you. So without just before going, I want to show one program and more. Aliasing, module aliasing, everything should be tell tomorrow. I think no issue. Tomorrow I'll tell you everything. How can we create a modules and etc etc etc. Each and every file you have to create. I'll just show you how can we create a module. So till now, thank you, have a nice day, and bye bye.